Hi guys, welcome to my another blog. And yes, this is a decoration for a birthday party, and you might be guessing for whose birthday party are we going to celebrate. So let's check out. So in this blog I will be sharing the recipe of Nawabi kitchen, or you can say it's a chicken korma. So here the ingredients that are follows. Step by step I will be sharing. So this is spices that I used are turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin seeds, dhania seeds, salt, black pepper, and garam masala powder. And with that, I used kaju as well as char magaj. Here, onions, lemon, garlic, ginger, green chilies, grated coconuts, milk, curd, and half cup of oil. First, I will be grinding the spices, the whole spices, that are cumin seeds, dhania seeds, uh, black pepper seeds, kaju, and then some char magaj. All together in a grinder I will be grinding. Then follows the grated coconuts and the curd together, and then at last ginger, garlic, and green chilies together, and then we will be marinating those masalas with the chicken and keep it for about 2 to 3 hours for resting. And finally the time has come for marination. So these are the paste that I have done earlier, as I have showed you, and I have shared the ingredients and the things that are required. So this is the ginger garlic paste. I have marinated the chicken first with those, and then I added the curd, the grated coconut, kaju and all together, and then I will be adding the all the spices, and then I will be mixing all together first, and then I will be adding the milk here only, and then at last I will be adding the lemon, the whole lemon, the full lemon, and then finally a half cup of oil that I have kept aside before. I will be mixing those and keep those things marinate for 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll start with the cooking process. So I'm using a big kadhai over here because the guests are like uh, two families, three families altogether, include mine. So I have put a big kadhai where I will be using 2 kgs of chicken here. So first I added the refined oil, and then I added the ghee to it, then some onions, chopped on onions. Then after it turned into brown, then I added the marinated chicken into it, and after adding the chickens to it I will be giving a little stir to it, and then I will be put the gas into sim and cover it and do a slow cooking process. And this is how the cooking is going on. It's time to dish out the dish. Right now looks yummy, I think. I hope everybody likes it. Now I will be going to get ready and make Lapi ready too for the evening. Let's check out, find some dresses, good pretty dress.
Oh my god, you're wearing this dress? Go and open. Somebody's here. Hello. Follow, follow, follow. Follow, follow.
We are trying to decorate the room somehow.
Hello. Hello. Hi. कैसी हो? Good, good. Nice. Hello, auntie. कैसे हैं?
And she's my friend Diana. You must have seen her in some other blog of mine. She's a very good friend of mine, so I invited her for my husband's birthday.
Hi.
So she's on time with her two kids, and here we'll do a blast. We'll surprise Bappa for the and Bappa has come from the office, and we are all ready to give him surprise. And the party has started with the lovely little guest in the evening.
Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy সবাইকে দাও সবাইকে खिलाओ अब मुझे दे दो सब खिलाएंगे ना सबको
And this is how we have spent our evening. If you like my blog, do like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like any part, do comment. And while I was busy with Bappa and the kids inside, my friends Sarita and Diana was busy taking over my work in the kitchen and helped me to enjoy this evening. It was a blast, really. It is like different with some other years, but it is funful evening with the kids. And this is how we sat down for the dinner. This is how it looks, the Nawali chicken, and it is delicious. Everybody appreciated it, and we were enjoying together. And guys, do try this recipe. It is amazing, trust me. Just try it once and comment in my comment section and tell me how does it taste. Till then, take care.